Meditation is a practice that can help promote relaxation, focus, and mindfulness. Here's a simple guide on how to do meditation. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space. Choose a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably. You can use a cushion or a chair to support your posture. 2. Get into a comfortable posture. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your spine straight but not rigid, and relax your shoulders. 3. Close your eyes or focus softly. Close your eyes gently or focus your gaze softly on a spot in front of you. This helps minimize distractions and turns your attention inward. 4. Focus on your breath. Take a few deep breaths to settle into your body. Then, let your breath flow naturally. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. You can focus on the rise and fall of your chest or the sensation of air passing through your nostrils. 5. Be present in the moment. As thoughts, sensations, or emotions arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can use a mental anchor such as counting your breaths or silently repeating a calming word or phrase to help maintain focus. 6. Practice non-judgmental awareness. Allow your thoughts to come and go without getting attached to them or trying to push them away. Simply observe them with curiosity and let them pass. 7. Continue for a few minutes. Start with just a few minutes of meditation and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Even just a few minutes of meditation each day can be beneficial. 8. End mindfully. When you're ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice how your body feels and carry the sense of calm and mindfulness with you as you go about your day. Remember, meditation is a skill that takes time and practice to develop, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. There are also various techniques and styles of meditation, so feel free to explore and find what works best for you.